$3 billion stolen, one broken heart at a time. And the thief was never human. A woman named Abigail sold her home for a man she loved. He knew her name. He called her his queen. He looked directly at her on video calls. He was a deepfake of a TV actor. Bernard Marr. Her daughter showed her the proof. Undeniable. Documented. She kept sending money anyway. Because he was the only one telling her he loved her. This is what AI romance fraud looks like in 2026. And it is coming for someone you love right now. AI has taken the traditional dating scam and put it on steroids. Criminals now generate realistic photos, polished profiles and convincing conversations at scale, maintaining deeply emotional relationships for months without a single human ever being involved. Not one scammer behind a laptop. A factory of fake love. Running on every platform you use. Right now. For years the gold standard was, send me a photo holding today's newspaper. In 2026 that test is dead. Scammers instantly generate an image of themselves in any location holding any object. Live video calls are no longer proof. Real-time deepfakes exist. An emotional months-long relationship is no longer proof. Bots maintain it automatically. Everything you trusted to verify a real person is now their weapon. Almost half of all online daters this year have been targeted. 74% of those became victims. Over 17 million attacks in just the last 3 months of 2025 alone. This is not rare. This is the internet you are using today. 3 things that could save someone you love right now. 1. Insist on a spontaneous unscripted live video call. Scammers avoid unscripted interaction because the AI breaks under pressure. 2. Any request for money is a total deal-breaker. No exception. No emergency. No story. 100% of the time, it is a scam. 3. Share this video with someone older, recently divorced, or lonely. They will never search for this themselves. And they are the exact target. By the time families intervene, the average victim has already lost $250,000. Some keep paying even after they know the truth. One victim said, "I know he is fake. But he is the only one telling me he loves me." That is not stupidity. That is a weapon, engineered to find the loneliest person in your life and hollow them out completely. Subscribe to Digital Moral, because the most dangerous relationship in the world right now is the one that never existed.